Hi, this is Vezi, and I'm going to explain to you how you can use the Ajooda platform to file your Swiss tax return in 6 minutes or less. So, first of all, you're going to click here on Submit Now or choose the Let's Go buttons here at the packages. First, you will define if you're a new client or existing clients. Existing clients have an easier form than individual or married. Let's go with new individual client. Then, based on what you need, you can choose an package. Here we'll just go with S since that will take care of most clients. Here you could choose if you have stocks or not. Let's just go in this case with not. And in this step you will just fill out all your details. I'll do that real quick. Alright, the informations I filled out already. That should not take more than 1 minute. Next step is the specific information that we need from you to be able to do the deductions correctly for you. So here you would choose where you have been employed in that particular year. So for this example, we chose Google as an employer in Zurich. He went by car, and it will also ask you how long the commute was. If you choose here, let's say public transport, it will ask you, okay, how much was the subscription cost, yearly or monthly, so that we have the information that we need. Next, you will be asked if you have children. Only those that are under 18 are relevant, or the ones that are still education, even if they're above 18. Other questions we might have is if you own a vehicle, if you paid alimony or received alimony, if you sold a property. Those are the most important questions for us that are not always evident out of the documentation that you upload. If you want to add any additional informations, you can clarify them here. That helps us also understand your case much better. Alright, next are the express options. Our normal processing time is 14 days. Should you be very close to a deadline and want to have it submitted much faster, you can choose here one of our options. Let's go here with Express 4. That means we will submit your tax return within 4 business days. Alright, next are the support packages. In the basic package, just the submission of your tax return is included. Should you need more assistance, like us checking your tax assessment order to make sure that the tax office did really grant all deductions, or you need a tax consultation, you can book the packages here accordingly. Economy, privilege, or premium give you the freedom of choice. Next is the upload section. Here we mostly need the tax document from the tax office with the access code, because without it we cannot even file for you, and your income statement like pension fund, Lohnausweis, or unemployment benefits. After upload we click next, and here is the upload section for the optional documents, being bank documents, third pillar, education cost, and whatnot. Since these are relevant only if you have them, we do not make them mandatory. Here you see the public transportation cost button appeared automatically, since in the commute we chose public transport, and if you have that you can upload that. If not, you can say no, I don't have it, or I will submit it within 5 business days. At the end you have the total price displayed to you. You can choose online payment. We offer credit cards and Twint. Most people choose Twint since that is a very convenient way to pay. After the submission, our payment provider will appear. We use Payrex. Since it's very similar to Stripe, it just basically offers additionally the payment option of Twint, which is very convenient for Swiss citizens. At the end, you just confirm your credit card or Twint, pay, and you're done. Now, after payment, the documents are being reviewed by our team. We always make sure that everything is there. If there is something missing, we always reach out to you to make sure that we can maximize your tax deductions. Thank you very much.